Hello, I guess you're here to see my shopping haul. Come take a look at what I got from Country Craft Creations today. So I guess you're wondering why I'm wearing sunglasses inside. Look at all this shininess here under the light. Yeah, I wanted to share with you my shopping haul from Country Craft Creations. So let's take a look at what we got. Let me take the shades off. Put on my glasses so I can see what I'm showing you. Oh, this is really bright. I'm sorry about the glare. But anyway, this is two different shopping sprees. I went online and ordered things that I needed and wanted. So where to start? Let's start with the Heartfelt. Let me see if I can find them all in here. So I did order the 3D Floral Basics Shaping Mold from Heartfelt through Country Craft Creations. This is to give texture to your flowers, and you can use it on different kinds of flowers that you die cut out, and it you put them in here and then you run it through your cutting machine, your die cutting machine, and it embosses, it imprints all this and shapes them. So that's really cool. Let me see if I can get it back in there. I have to keep it out of there. Okay, then I got some dies for different flowers, clematis flowers. So you see how you get the leaves and the flowers. So that's really, really awesome. And then I got the Rustic Sunflower. Now I got the dies for the Rustic Sunflowers. And there's what the shapes are on the back. But then I also got the stamp set that pairs with this die so that you can stamp and then use your die to get all these little lines and things in there. So I'm excited to play with that. Now, all of these are ordered from Country Craft Creations, so go check it out there. If they're not there at the time you go shopping, check back because things come back in stock. Okay, so this is the wild Aster. I just thought this would be a beautiful flower to have, so I can't wait to play with that one. So that's my Heartfelt Creations stash that I purchased. I ordered two of these. This is the Heart of Courage 8x8. I'm not sure if it's still available in the store or not. Let me see if I can get this glare. You can see the beautiful images with the sunflowers and the blues and yellows with the red. This is in support of Ukraine. What's happening over there right now. Country Craft Creations designed this. Tamara designed this, and she is having it printed and selling it at a special price, just in the 8x8, I believe. And the profits are going to this, the name escapes me, to a group that supports people in Ukraine. So it's a really worthy cause. If there's still some available and you want to get some, you might not want to do a Ukraine album, but the images are just beautiful for different things that you might want to create with, like a folio or a mini album. So check that out. Then I got, let me show this copper, this 8.5 by 11 copper metallic. It is gorgeous paper. So I got several sheets of that. This is sold individually in the 8.5 by 11. So you want to check those out. Then some basic stuff that I got was the artisan cardstock. This is the pearl. This is the gold pearl. Is it called pearl shimmer? Pearl sheen? I get mixed up every stinking time. Anyway, this is the natural, I believe, or the ivory, and this is the gold. So these are beautiful to use for mats in your albums, for your photos. Just kind of bring some pop to the pages. Everything's going to fall over here. I know it. There. Okay, it's falling. My head fits in the floor. My table is so filled right now. I've got to clean it. Okay. Then I love Graphic 45. I was a brand ambassador for a couple of years. It's been a while. My last year was, I think, 2018. And then I joined Country Craft Creations. But anyway, I love Graphic 45. Unfortunately, I'm not able to order, well, I could, but I don't order all the collections now because I just have so much. It just stacks up, and I have more than I can possibly create with. But every now and then one comes along that I absolutely have to have. And this, I think, was one. Now, I know you like for the packages to be opened, but Graphic 45s, this is their, of course, and this is the Let It Be collection, in case I didn't tell you that. This is their assortment of ephemera pieces, and there's little tiny pieces in there, and I am just not going to open this up. I don't want to lose anything, but you can see it is so gorgeous in there with the sunflower. So I got that pack. Then of course I got the 4x6 and 3x4 journaling cards, which is a must-have with Graphic 45. So look at that, Queen Bee, and then of course there's all the wonderful images there. Gorgeous. I love this Let It Be collection. I also got the little stamp that coordinates with all this. Got the 2 bees, the larger one and the small one, and then the Queen Bee, and Hello Sunshine, and Don't Worry, Be Happy, and Life is Beautiful. And I apologize for the rooster crowing in the background. The sun came up and he's happy. And he belongs to a neighbor, but he comes over here. He likes me for some reason. For the last couple of weeks, he's been hanging out here pretty much below my window. So life in the country, that's what it is. So that's the stamp set. So I got that. Then he's just really being busy. Okay, then I got the stickers. And I did get stickers in my collection pack, but I got the stickers because I forgot. So I didn't have to order these, but I have extra stickers now. So these are just so much fun, though. Anyway, you want to have stickers to make embellishments or decorate a page. And then, of course, I got a pack of the chipboard pieces. I love those. I especially love the ones that you can use to make, geez, I can't even think what they're called. You know, you put a brad with it and it's a closure piece, flips around. I love this one that says Buzz. It's so cute. Anyway, so that's that. And then I got this in the 8x8 because I just think it's just so pretty. And I'm going to show you the papers in the 12x12. I'm going to have to break down and open that up. But look at this paper. It is so pretty. So let me stack this down here so I don't get messed up. And along with the collection pack, I got the 12x12 patterns in solids. Now, it says solids, but yeah, they've got a little design on them. But the patterns are usually some that are not in your main collection. So this is something you want to get. There's 16 sheets in this 12x12 pack, and it stretches out your collection. I kind of wish I had gotten 2 of the collection, but I didn't. If there's still some available next time I order, I might pick up another pack. But I really love this collection. I'm thinking, because I've already looked at this once, I'm thinking right now, this is probably my favorite Graphic 45 collection of all time. Well, I do like Lacert. I wish they would come back with that, a little more modern, you know, with their newer paper styles. We'll see, maybe someday. So here's the cover sheet. Throw this back here and all my stack of stuff. And of course, I got the 2 sticker sheets, which I already have in that pack. But there you go. You can see those kind of. Sorry about my glare, but I have to have light. So I have to wear shades. Okay, here is the cover sheet. Let It Be, the huge sunflower here. It's just gorgeous. It's got the bees on it. Lots of fussy cutting. If you love fussy cutting, here you go. This is the one. This is the one you're going to want to attack with your little scissors. Just beautiful. And of course you flip it over and you've got the black with the little tiny dots. Graphic 45, you get 2 sheets to each pack. That's 2 sheets of each design in a pack. So that's why you might want to consider ordering a second collection pack. Here's another one. This is just absolutely stunning. I love all these sunflowers and the bees. It's just, and the little pop of red is just perfect. Seriously, it is. So then you turn it over. This is a traditional one. You nearly see this design in nearly all your Graphic 45 packs with the words and the images like this. So Yeah, and usually in your solids, you get it in a different color. I see it down there. I see it in the black and the green. And then, of course, that's two. That's the second one. Then you get your cut aparts with a little bit of borders around the edges. Isn't that pretty? Just living is not enough, said the butterfly. One must have sunshine and a little flower. I love that. On the back, this is yellow, kind of a yellow gold honeycomb, real tiny. Very, very pretty on that. So that's another reason why you might want two collections, because you're going to want this, and then you're going to want, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, love this one with the red dots. Sunflowers and bees. Look at that, how pretty. And you flip it over, and you got the dots, but on green. Okay, and then I love these smaller ones with the little bits of red flowers on the black dot. Very pretty. Flip that over, and you got this really nice little yellow stripe. Then this one's fun. This is a honeycomb print with the little flowers and the bees, and it says, like they're buzzing, and it buzz. So cute. And the back side is this gorgeous Graphic 45 red. It's not a bright, brilliant red, but it's more their orangey kind of red. And you can swap, I don't know if you know this, but their color palette, you can swap out some of these generic prints like this into their other collections, you know, to have a different look. And that is a lot of fun. I'm telling you, that's a lot of fun to switch that around. You use like 2 or 3 collections with the generic prints. It's a lot of fun. So here's the 4x6, 3x4 cut aparts. These are awesome. And you flip it over, and you have the black background with the gold bees. And then I think we have one more sheet. So this is your black with your gold images, your bees, your beehives, lots of bees and sunflowers, and the let it be, and then flip it over. I absolutely love this. I see a big bumblebee. You get the yellow honeycomb stripe, and then kind of black with a kind of a honeycomb look in there. So cute. Okay, guys, so that is my, is that the last one? Yeah, that was the last one. So that's my shopping haul. These are items that I personally ordered. This is not a design team package. This was my personal order to add to my stash. Of course, you'll probably see some of this in some of my design team projects. Who knows? But anyway, thanks so much for watching. Come back again. If you haven't yet, hit subscribe. Down below in the description, I will have a link where you can easily find the subscribe, or there's also the button on, or there's also the button with YouTube down below near the description. And then once you hit subscribe, it'll show that you subscribed, and then there'll be a bell. If you click that bell, that's what's going to send you notifications. Now you have to go to your account in YouTube and make sure that you have notifications turned on. Otherwise, that won't work. I think some people forget that they need to tweak some things in their account, their YouTube account. So check that out. If you're subscribed and you're not getting notifications, you need to check that out. Make sure notifications are turned on within your YouTube account. So thank you so much. Be sure to check out Country Craft Creations. Lots and lots of new stuff added all the time. I kind of want to shop nearly every day. I have to restrain myself. I'm sure a lot of you do too. And if you like this video, want to see more of my shopping hauls and my tutorials, give me a thumbs up. Have a great and wonderful day. Lots of sunshine. Stay warm if you're where it's cold. Stay cool if you're where it's warm. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.